Alright, we're doing a little job for some people, just a one bedroom apartment. And it's a real dark place and it's early in the morning, so hopefully it just shows up, and we're going to vacuum it first with this Bissell. I'm not going to show the rest. He's just going to vacuum that little room. And when you get done, lift the vacuum up. Let's see how bad the brush roll looks. This apartment, the woman that lives here, she has really long hair, and they only vacuum the place once a month. So, and they have a dog, so we end up.
We vacuum the place once.
Yeah, if they get the carpets cleaned, they usually get them done once a month, usually, and that's the only time the carpets get vacuumed, and we clean them. They don't have a vacuum cleaner that works, so, but they're kind of messy. And they have a pet, and they never take it outside. It rained for like a whole solid week, and they never took their pet outside. So this is one of those times when we get done, we clean the vacuum thoroughly before we take it back into our place, and we won't use it on another job. We'll put the bag from this place, we put it in a Ziploc bag and seal it up when we're done.
Venus for carpet cleaners.
Bring it in here and let me.
Venus for carpet cleaners, and we use this vacuum all over.
Yeah, let me see the bottom of it.
When we're done, we take the bag out of this every time.
Hold it up so we can see. They have the light from the window here. Watch what you touch. It's not too bad. There's some hairs in there.
Not bad though.
It's not too bad. Last month we did this, and when we got done, the brush roll was completely wet with pet urine.
These people.
So I had to scrub the brush roll down and everything. So
these people that live here are real nice people.
They're nice.
They're a little slow.
Yeah.
And so they own a vacuum cleaner, but it don't have a hose attached to it.
Yeah, they bought a used vacuum cleaner, and it doesn't have it has a hose missing. So you can't get any connection.
So out of compassion for them, we come over here every month and vacuum and clean their carpets before they do their inspection.
This place that we do every month is one of the reasons we decided to buy this vacuum, because it was just too hard on our Dyson.
Yeah.
I had to take it completely apart every time we used it and clean everything real thoroughly, and I just got Plus, you heard him pick up some big old stuff that's in the carpet that sometimes you don't see that stuff.
Well, this vacuum, it's honest, it's a $50 vacuum, and it's literally $50, basically $50 or $51 with taxes.
But it's good.
I like it. The truth is, I like it as much as I like our Senators or our Dysons. I really do. I like it a whole lot.
And if you end up trashing it on a job someplace, you're only out $50, so that's good. All right, that's all for the vacuuming video. We're going to put this out of the way, and we're going to get started doing some carpet cleaning. So that's all for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.